It came! It finally came! So here we have it, guys, the Starlink. Honestly, it took less than 2 weeks, man. But we have a problem, guys. It's raining outside. But I don't care, I'm gonna install it, raining, snowing, so let's get to it. Oh my goodness. This is actually pretty big. Ooh. More plastic. And this is the antenna. And the modem, look at that. Oh man, this is nice. I'm Spider Monkey.
What are you doing there?
Dale. Ah, nice. Here's where we're gonna put the antenna. Oh, we're just gonna do this like that. Like that. Ahí está. Oh, look at that. It's moving on its own now. Cool. Okay, moment of truth, guys. Let's do a speed test. We're right next to the router. Okay, we're getting 40 megabytes and 43 ping. Not too bad, honestly. Way better than what I had. Now let us test something really quick. We're gonna do a speed test without the router that we bought. We're gonna do it with the Starlink router. So let's see how it goes. Honestly, I'm so happy with this. We're getting 88 download and 12 upload with a ping of 61, which is not too bad, honestly. And here's a speed test with the router that I bought. Let's see how it goes. Definitely way better. We got 115 download, 9 upload, and 77 ping, which I think is way better. But yeah, follow for more Starlink videos and let me know in the comment section any questions you guys may have.